Introduction of neuron. A neuron is a specialized cell that is responsible for transmitting nerve impulses throughout the body. Neurons are the basic building blocks of the nervous system, which controls and coordinates all of the body's functions. The anatomy of a neuron consists of three main parts: the cell body, soma, dendrites, and axon. The cell body, also known as the soma, is the main part of the neuron. It contains the nucleus, which contains the genetic material that controls the cell's activities. The cell body also contains many other structures, including the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy for the cell. Dendrites are short, branching projections that extend from the cell body. They are responsible for receiving information from other neurons and transmitting it to the cell body. Dendrites are covered in many small projections called spines, which help to increase the surface area of the dendrites and allow for more connections with other neurons. The axon is a long, thin projection that extends from the cell body. It is responsible for transmitting information away from the cell body and towards other neurons or muscles. The axon is covered in a fatty substance called myelin, which helps to insulate and protect the axon and allows for faster transmission of signals. Neurons can be found throughout the body, but are most concentrated in the brain and spinal cord, where they form complex networks that allow for the processing and integration of information. When neurons are grouped together, they form nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is found throughout the body and is responsible for transmitting information between different parts of the body. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord, while the PNS consists of all the nerves that extend from the CNS to other parts of the body. The structure of neurons allows them to transmit information quickly and efficiently throughout the body. Dendrites receive information from other neurons or sensory receptors, which is then transmitted to the cell body. If the information is strong enough, it will trigger an electrical signal called an action potential, which travels down the axon and causes the release of neurotransmitters at the axon terminal. The neurotransmitters then bind to receptors on other neurons or muscles, causing a response. Thanks for watching.